Hey everyone, imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing the moon almost vanish before our eyes. That's exactly what's happening on August 9, 2026. And trust me, there's way more to this phase than just a sliver of light. Let's unpack why this fleeting moment is actually a gateway to some seriously underrated lunar magic. So what's going on? By August 9th, the moon will be in its waning crescent phase, with just 16% of its surface visible. To most of us staring up without binoculars, it'll look like a ghostly fingernail in the sky. But here's the thing, this phase is like a cosmic tease. It's hiding secrets in plain sight. Without tools, you'll spot the Aristarchus Plateau, a super bright region that's one of the moon's most reflective spots. But break out a telescope? Suddenly, you'll catch the Grimaldi Basin, a massive dark plain that's basically a 3-billion-year-old scar from an asteroid collision. That contrast between stark brightness and ancient shadows? That's the moon whispering, "Hey, look closer." Now let's zoom out. Why do phases even happen? The moon's 29.5-day cycle isn't just a light show. It's a celestial dance of geometry. As it orbits Earth, the sun's light carves different slices of visibility, creating this endless loop of disappearance and rebirth. But here's what fascinates me. Humans have been obsessing over these phases for millennia. Ancient farmers planted crops by them, sailors navigated by them, and cultures spun myths about their meanings. Today we've reduced it to a calendar footnote, but the moon is still pulling the same stunts it did 10,000 years ago. Isn't that wild? We've just stopped paying attention. Breaking down the 8 phases, the waning crescent feels like the forgotten middle child. Everyone loses their mind over full moons, supermoons, blood moons, you name it, but this sliver is where the drama peaks. Think about it. After the third quarter, the moon's losing illumination fast. It's the last gasp before total darkness, like a countdown to invisibility. And yet that 16% isn't just less. It's a spotlight on resilience. The Aristarchus Plateau glows because it's packed with titanium and iron, surviving eons of bombardment. Grimaldi Basin, a relic of chaos, now quietly haunting the edge of our view. This phase isn't a downgrade. It's a masterclass in contrast. A reminder that endings can be just as compelling as beginnings. And let's not sleep on the bigger picture. The moon's cycle mirrors so many human experiences: growth, decline, renewal. We're all stuck in our own 29.5-day rhythms, whether we realize it or not. The next full moon on August 28th will steal headlines. But the real story's in the quiet decay before it. What if we treated these phases like emotional barometers? The waning crescent is the moment to release, to shed what's not working. Maybe that's why ancient astrologers tied this phase to introspection. I'm not saying you should reorganize your life based on lunar cycles, but hey, there's wisdom in syncing with something older than civilization. So here's my challenge. On August 9th, grab a pair of binoculars. Find a dark spot. Don't just glance up, really look. That 16% sliver isn't just a pretty sight. It's a time capsule, a geological thriller, and a silent teacher rolled into one. And while you're at it, ask yourself, what in your life feels like a waning crescent right now? What's slowly fading, making space for the next cycle? The moon's always playing this game of hide and seek for a reason. Sometimes the magic's in what's disappearing.